everyone. Today I, Bhavya of Class 7th G, is going to give you a tour of my notebook, which is integrated with Science Chapter Fibre to Fabric. Let's start. This is the cover page of my notebook. In this, you will learn about 10 types of fabric. This is cotton fabric. This is synthetic cotton fabric. This is woolen fabric. This is synthetic fabric. Silk fabric. Nylon fabric. This is chenille fabric. This is net fabric. This is non-woven fabric. This is malmal fabric. In my notebook, you learnt about 10 types of fabric. Hope you like the tour of my notebook. Thank you.